In this tutorial we are going to talk about creating wires or ropes to be used in VR through SimLab Composer. This is a scene of a workstation, and as you can see there is a plug connected to a power outlet, and we are going to attach the outlet to the soldering kit using a wire. We are also going to create a wire to attach the soldering pen to the kit itself. From the VR Effects menu select Create Wire/Rope. In the object tree to the left you will notice a new assembly named Rope Points has been created. Within this assembly are the 2 points that will determine where the rope or wire ends are located. Initially they are placed at the center of the scene, so to reposition them where we need them, simply select the first point, then press N on the keyboard and click on the power outlet to snap the rope point to it. Select the second point, press N, then click on the other end where the soldering kit is. The next thing that you need to do is to modify the wire's appearance to match the outlet's appearance. Click on either one of the points and go to the VR Rope tab to the right. Set the color of the wire to black. As for the rope width, set it to around 0.5 centimeter or any value that you think matches the outlet's diameter. The stretch factor property determines how loose the wire is, where a value of 0 would result in a straight tight wire, and a value of 1 would add an extra 1 meter of length to the wire, resulting in it hanging from the 2 points. What is left now is to adjust its position to make sure that it is attached to the ends properly. To test the scene out, go to the SimLab VR Viewer menu and select Show in Viewer, then select Desktop Mode. Make sure you set up the starting position in the scene and click the check mark to start the VR experience. Go back to SimLab Composer, and let us create a wire to attach the soldering pen. From the VR Effects menu select Create Wire/Rope. Then select one of the points and position it on the kit. Then select the second point and snap it to the soldering pen by pressing N on the keyboard, then clicking on the pen. Set the wire's color and width, and as for the stretch factor, set it to 1 to make sure it's hanging loose. Fine-tune the rope end's position and make sure they are in contact with the device. The next thing that we need to do is to make sure the wire is attached to the pen even if it moved in VR. To do that we need to place the rope point within the pen's assembly. In the object tree to the left select the pen's rope point, then press and hold left click and drag it to the soldering pen's assembly. Now whenever the pen moves the rope point is going to move with it. Go to the Interactions menu and while the soldering pen is selected, select Make Grabbable. Run the scene in VR mode to test it out.